Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader, programmer, and a trading coach. And the pair for today is USDJPY. Well, as usual, I start from daily to make a decision which direction I want to trade, and then, only then, I go to my trading time frames for hour and hourly to find some reasons for entry. My reasons for entry are godless bets and ciphers and butterflies. Yes, I have 4. That's it. If I have them, then I will trade. You can see on your chart the indicator I created. It is a fractal indicator showing me the highest high between the 9 candles, or the lowest low between the 9 candles. And guys, the fractal is a special formation. Uh, it should be the middle high of them. It means that the 4 highs before him should be lower than that high, and the 4 highs after that should be lower than that high. And for the lows, it is reversed. The 4 lows before the fractal low should be lower, higher, and the 4 lows after that should be higher as well. 1 2 3 4 lower, 1 2 3 4, at least 4 should be lower. So this is called 9 candle fractal, as compared to a default fractal indicator that is in Bill Williams folder here on MetaTrader. Bill Williams fractal indicator is a 5 candle indicator. It indicates the highs that are higher than the 2 previous highs and 2 following highs. So it only 5. Okay, mine is 9 candle indicator. In the properties of that indicator, you can set those settings. You can even make it a 1000 candle indicator, whatever you wish. You can change that. Okay, also my indicator draws the zones between the highest high and the highest close, or the lowest low and the lowest close. You see the zone between the high and the close, and projects it to the future, because those zones are usually good support zones turning into resistance zones. For example, we had that fractal here, we had that zone here, and look what happened. Price came to the zone, immediately reacted, and went to the downside. So it happens very often. We had this zone, we had that zone, it was broken to the upside, then price retested that and went to the downside. Okay, first thing that I identify here is that we have a downtrend. If you guys are not agree, if you don't agree with that, well, I don't know, maybe you should stop trading then. We have a downtrend here. My prediction is, if we have a tendency moving to the downside, because it is a tendency, it will continue moving to the downside. So I only looking for the reasons to enter short. Okay, then I will analyze my zones. You see, price came to the selling zone. I don't sell it until it goes to the selling zone. Once I have it in the selling zone, only then I switch to my trading time frame to find that. Okay guys, I will give you 5 seconds to find a good opportunity that is setting up here, and one opportunity that is already completed, that already presents here. Okay, 5 minutes left. It is a godly pattern, and let me draw it for you. We first need to take our XA leg. This is it, X to A, and we need to have a retracement to at least 618. You see, this is a retracement to at least 618. After we have that, We'll take another Fibonacci and measure this AB, and we need a retracement again at least to 618. And after we have this, our completion is 127. Okay, if I take triangles and unite those points, you will see a godly pattern formation that looks this way. This is a godly pattern formation. 127 is the entry. Well, measuring these sides with Fibonacci manually is not the best way. Is not my favorite way. I like to measure it with my program that I also composed myself, that I also developed myself. I just show the legs that I want to analyze, and I run the program and it does the rest. It draws triangles, draws the lines if the pattern is valid, and also it gives some information about that. The stop loss is 67 pips, the target is 85 pips, AB is 65, BC is 0.62. So this is it, the godly pattern formation that already completed. I am already in this trade, so guys, if you want to enter that, maybe you need to wait until price goes a bit higher to that line, because in this case you will have a better risk to reward. Well, but it's up to you to decide. If you wish to enter here, then your risk to reward potentially will be 1 to 1. Yes, exactly 1 to 1 if you enter it here at market. But I like my risk to reward to be better. I like my risk to be less than reward. Guys, and as a bonus for you, I will give you some tip, I will give you some hint. Every time we have a godly, we then immediately after that have a potential which pattern? Guys, remember that we measured the AB leg and it was a retracement of 618, yes? And the extension of that AB is 127. That is the completion of godly. Which pattern it coincides? If we take this as XA, then it is AB, and then it is BC, which is extended 127. Of course, it is a cipher pattern formation. So if godly works and it goes to the downside like that, near to my support zone on the daily chart, it is a fractal on daily, so we will have that cipher pattern formation, something like that. If it wins, we have another opportunity, just reverse and go to the upside. Stops below the pivot, stops below the fractal. Well, I like to do it also automatically. Just run my script and it will draw the pattern. You see, cipher pattern appears. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like it. If so, press those thumbs ups, share it with your friends in your social networks, subscribe to my videos on my YouTube channel. It took me about half an hour to record that video, so I will really appreciate if you do that work for me. And comment. Please write comments, ask your questions, and I will answer them. Until then, I wish you a happy Tuesday. Do we have Tuesday today? Tuesday, yes. I wish you a happy Tuesday. I wish you many pips generated. Good luck, good trading. Hope to see you soon.